morning. I will start with yoga. As we discussed yesterday in the workshop, and we know yoga is all about balancing ourselves and facing the challenges that comes in our lives with the balanced state of mind, body, emotions, intellectual and behavior. Good morning. I welcome Assistant Principal Madam, teachers, students to the observation of 7th International Yoga Day. To start with, we have with us Ameya Kumar Misra sir, who would like to speak a few words on Yoga Day. Sir, Ameya sir, Yoga Day. Sir, Ameya sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir,
Yes, ma'am.
please. Yes, sir, please. Continue.
am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, respected Principal Madam, respected Vice Principal Sir, my dear colleagues, and a very hearty welcome to my dear Tiny Talks. Today, I want to say a few lines on the occasion of International Yoga Days. International Yoga Days is an annual event that has its roots in an Indian context, but is commemorated every year on 21st June 2021. The ideas of International Yoga Day was convinced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who proposed the concept on September 27, 2014 during his speech at the UN General Assembly. The resolution to adopt June 21 as the International Yoga Day was introduced by Indian Ambassador Mr. Ashok Kumar Mukherjee. So, this resolution can be viewed as a triumphant moment for Indian soft power as it received support from 177 nations, the highest number of co-sponsors for any UN resolution. Currently, countries ranging from Canada to the USA participate in this event. This year, the theme of Yoga for Wellness. My dear colleague and my dear students, this year the theme for the event is Yoga for Wellness, means in Oriya, Kalyana Pai Yoga. तो आज योग दिवस ମୁଁ କେବଳ ଗୋଟିଏ କଥା କହିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବି, ବଡ଼ ବିଚିତ୍ର ଏ ପୃଥିବୀ, ଅଦ୍ଭୁତ ତାର ଗତିବିଧି। ଏଠି ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ପ୍ରତି ମୁହୂର୍ତ୍ତରେ ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତନର ସ୍ୱର ଉଠେ, ପୁଣି ଗତାନୁଗତିକ ଶଗଡ଼ ଗୋଳାରେ ପଡ଼ି ସେହି ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତନ ଫେରିଆସେ ମୂଳ ପୃଷ୍ଠଭୂମିକୁ। ଏଠି ନୂତନତ୍ୱ କମ୍ପିତ ହୁଏ, ମାତ୍ର ସେହି ନୂତନତାର ଅନ୍ତ ଫାଡ଼ି ସେହି ଆଧୁନିକତାର ବକ୍ଷ ଚିରି ପୁରାତନତା ପୁଣି ରାଜୁତି କରେ। ଯେମିତି ଆଜି ଆଧୁନିକ ବିଶ୍ୱ ବିଜ୍ଞାନର ଜୟଯାତ୍ରା କରୁ କରୁ ବହୁ ପ୍ରାଚୀନ ପୁରାତନ ଯୋଗ ସାଧନ ନିକଟରେ ଆଣ୍ଠୁମାଡ଼ି ବସି ପଡ଼ିଛି ଏବଂ ସ୍ୱୀକାର କରିଛି ନିଜର ପରାଜୟତା। ସୁସ୍ଥ ଶରୀର, ସୁସ୍ଥ ମସ୍ତିଷ୍କ ପାଇଁ ପୁରାତନ ଭାରତର ଯୋଗ କ୍ରିୟା ଏକ ଅମୋଘ ଅସ୍ତ୍ର ଥିଲା। ଆଧୁନିକ ବିଦ୍ୟା, ଆଧୁନିକ ପ୍ରଯୁକ୍ତି ବିଦ୍ୟା, ଆଧୁନିକ ବିଜ୍ଞାନ ଏହାର ପ୍ରଭାବରେ ଯଦିଓ ସୁସ୍ଥ ଶରୀର ପାଇଁ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ମହୌଷଧିମାନ ଉଦ୍ଭାବନ କରାଗଲା, ତଥାପି ତାର କ୍ଷଣଭଙ୍ଗୁରତା ଆଜି ପୃଥିବୀର କୋଣ ଅନୁକୋଣରେ ପଡ଼ିଛି। ଆଜି ସାରା ବିଶ୍ୱ ଯୋଗ ଦିବସର ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱକୁ ଅନୁଭବ କରୁଛି। ତେଣୁ ଏହି ଯୋଗ ଦିବସର ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱକୁ ସ୍ୱତଃ ଅନୁଭବ କରିବା ପରିସ୍ଥିତିରେ ପାରମ୍ପରିକ ଯୋଗ କ୍ରିୟା ଏବେ ବି ବିଜୟର ଧ୍ୱଜା ଉଡ଼ାଇ ଆଧୁନିକତାର ବକ୍ଷ ଦେଶରେ ଦଣ୍ଡାୟମାନ ହୋଇଛି। ତେଣୁ ବିଜ୍ଞାନ ଯେତେ ଆଗେଇଲେ ବି, ପ୍ରଯୁକ୍ତି ବିଦ୍ୟା ଯେତେ ଆଗେଇଲେ ବି ଆମେ ନିଶ୍ଚିନ୍ତ ସେହି ପାରମ୍ପରିକ ଗତିବିଧି ନିକଟରେ ଏ ସମାଜ, ଏ ପୃଥିବୀ, ଏ ବିଶ୍ୱ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ନୁଆଉଛି, ଏହାର ଯଥେଷ୍ଟ ପ୍ରମାଣ। ତେଣୁ ଯୋଗ ସାଧନ ଉପରେ ତ ବହୁତ କଥା ଅଛି, ଯାହା କହିଲେ ଅନେକ ଦିନ ସରିଯିବ ବରଂ, କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ କଥା ସରିବନି। ମାତ୍ର ଆମର ଯୋଗ ଗୁରୁ ବି ଆମ ସହିତ ଅଛନ୍ତି, ସିଏ କିଛି ଯୋଗ ବିଷୟରେ କହିବେ। ମୁଁ ଭାବିଥିଲି, ମୁଁ ଯେହେତୁ ପିଲାଦିନରୁ ଯୋଗ କରିବାର ଅଭ୍ୟସ୍ତ, ଆଉ ଯୋଗ ମୋର ଗୋଟେ ଭାରି ନୀତିଦିନିଆ ଅଭ୍ୟାସ, ତେଣୁ ମୁଁ କିଛି ଯୋଗ କରିକି ଆଜି ଏଇ ଅନଲାଇନ୍ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ଦେଖେଇବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲି, କିନ୍ତୁ କୋଭିଡ-19 ପ୍ରଭାବରେ ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ଦୁର୍ବଳ ହୋଇପଡ଼ିଛି। ସେଥିପାଇଁ जदिओ जोग किछि न देखै पारुछि मात्र जोगर सबुठु गुरुत्वपूर्ण अंश जहा जो जिनसटा जोग पई एकांत आवश्यक मु से विषय रे निश्चिंत गोटे लाइन कहबी जे आमे माने जोग करिवा पूर्वरु जोठी भी जे जोग करंतु जोग करिवा पूर्वरु पद्मासन रे बसी ओंकार ध्वनि करंतु ए जो ओंकार ध्वनि आमे करंती ए ओंकार ध्वनि मुख्यतः आमे 3 थर करिथांती ए जो 3 थर ओंकार ध्वनि आमे करिथांती साधारणतः आमे जदि 30 सेकेंड थरे ओंकार ध्वनि को 30 सेकेंड नबा से 30 सेकेंड को आमे काहे कि 30 सेकेंड मु नउची इनिशियली केस रे तार कारण होची जे जेतेबेले आमे ओंकार ध्वनि करंती सेतेबेले हमर प्रश्वास बाहर को छाड़ी थांती अर्थात बाहर को प्रश्वास छाड़ीबा अर्थ निश्वास बंद करिबा तेणु निश्वास बंद करके 30 सेकेंड रु अधिक समय रहिबा हुए तो कहा कष्ट हो पारे जदिओ मु कला बेले 1 मिनिट रु अधिक समय मु रखी पारे किंतु सेटा प्रैक्टिस ऊपर निर्भर करे तो जनरली 30 सेकेंड आम निश्वास बंद करि परिबा तेणु 30 सेकेंड रो एग्जांपल नै कि मु कहबी जे आमे गोटिए थर ओंकार ध्वनि उच्चारण कला बेले जदि 30 सेकेंड नियंती से 30 सेकेंड को आमे 5:3:2 एई क्रम रे भाग करिया जो माने भी मोर एई कथा को सुनुचंती जो सम्मानस्पद व्यक्ति माने बा मोर छोट पिला माने ए कथा को निश्चिंत मन रखिबा आमे जो ओंकार 3 थर ओंकार ध्वनि करूचंदी से 3 थर ओंकार ध्वनि को आमे 3टा पार्ट रे डिवाइड करिया 5:3:2 माने जदि 30 सेकेंड आमे गोटिए थर ओंकार ध्वनि को 30 सेकेंड नियंती ताहले प्रथम ता पूर्व आमे जानिबा आमे जो ओमकार करंती दैट इज नॉट ओमकार दैट इज ओम ओम ताको जदि आमे भांगीबा हम पुराण शास्त्र अनुसार हम संस्कृत साहित्य अनुसार हम ओडिया साहित्य अनुसार हम परंपरा अनुसार हम जदि ओम ताको भांगीबा ताहा 3टी अक्षर रो सम्मिश्रण हबो अ उ म ए जो अ उ म 3टी अक्षर रहुची ताकू आमे 5:3:2 एई क्रम रे भांगीबा अर्थात जदि प्रथम थर ओंकार उच्चारण कला बेले आमे 30 सेकेंड नौचे ताहले 5:3:2 भागरे आमे अ उ म को भांगीबा अर्थात आमे प्रथम अ टाको उच्चारण करिबा 15 सेकेंड एवं उ टाको उच्चारण करिबा 9 सेकेंड एवं म टाको उच्चारण करिबा 6 सेकेंड एटा हला प्रथम थर जेतेबेले उ म को 2:5 आमे एक सॉरी भूल कहली आमे द्वितीय थर उच्चारण कला बेल को आमे भांगीबा 2:3 नहीं फास्ट भांगिले 5:3:2 तापर सेकेंड थर को भांगीबा और 3:5:2 थर्ड थर को भांगीबा 2:3:5 अर्थात प्रथमे आमे 15 सेकेंड अ उच्चारण करिबा 9 सेकेंड उ उच्चारण करिबा 6 सेकेंड म उच्चारण करिबा जदि 30 सेकेंड आमे नौथांती बारंबार कहूची जदि आमे 30 सेकेंड नौथांती थरे ओम उच्चारण करिया पई प्रथम थरक 15 सेकेंड अ 9 सेकेंड उ एवं 6 सेकेंड म ओम द्वितीय थर जेतेबेले ओम उच्चारण करिबा सेतेबेले प्रथमे अ को उच्चारण करिबा 30 सेकेंड एवं उ को उच्चारण करिबा 50 प्रथमे अ को उच्चारण करिबा 9 सेकेंड एवं उ को उच्चारण करिबा 15 सेकेंड एवं म को उच्चारण करिबा 20 सेकेंड तृतीय थर जेतेबेले आमे थर्ड टाइम ओम उच्चारण करछे सेतेबेले अ को 20 सेकेंड उ को 30 सेकेंड एवं म को 15 सेकेंड एई हिसाब रे आमे 15 9 एवं 6 एई तीनटा को मिसई की 30 सेकेंड ओम उच्चारण करा जाय परियो याको जेहेतु आमे 3 थर उच्चारण करछे तेनु 3 थर प्रथम थर 5:3:2 द्वितीय थर 3:5:2 तृतीय थर 2:3:5 एई क्रम रे आमे ओम उच्चारण करिबा उचित जहा विधेय जहा नियम तेणु जितेबाला ओम उच्चारण करुचे आम जोग कर प्रारंभ जिते योगासन रे बसी जोग आरंभ करुचे से ओम को आम ओम न कहीकि ओम ओम उच्चारण करवा। एतिकी थिला आज मोर एई विश्व योग दिवसर वार्ता। मु आशा करुच्ची जहाँ मो कलिग मानक पई आ मो छोट कुनी कुनी पिला मानक पई निश्चिंत शिक्षणीय हेतिबो। परवर्ती मुहूर्त रे आमे ऑफलाइन क्लास स्टार्ट कले निश्चिंत मु आम योग गुरु सहित मिसी योग उपरे आउ किछि तथ्य निश्चिंत देबी। मु एतिकी वक्तव्य शेष करछि। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Now I would request Didi Vipari madam to demonstrate the yoga asana that you prepared for. Didi madam.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. A very good morning to everyone. I guess I am visible and audible. Ma'am, am I audible?
You are audible and you are visible
Okay,
too.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Respected principal, ma'am, dear colleagues and loving students. First of all, happy International Yoga Day to everyone. So, about the benefits of yoga, you already attended yesterday's workshop, and today, right now, this Ramya sir has explained very well that Kalyana Yoga, which is the theme of this year's Yoga Day. So the asana that I am going to demonstrate to you is bow pose or Dhanurasana. Before I will do Dhanurasana, let me tell you what are the benefits of Dhanurasana. Basically, Dhanurasana helps you in maintaining the gesture and posture of the back. Not only that, it improves the respiratory element. If you are having any mild back ache, that also been improved, as it is completely straights the back posture. So starting from your groin, your thighs, your back muscle to your neck, it improves. It will help you to improve these postures. It also helps you in improvement of menstrual discomfort and all. So see how to do that. I guess I am visible, everyone. Yes, you are visible. So first you need to lay down like this. Then you need to bend your knees like this. Then you need to hold your legs with the help of your hands and try to put pressure on the front. Then slowly exhale, and you can repeat this asana if you want to. You can repeat this asana for 3 times. It will, like I said, it will help you in maintaining the posture of the back muscles. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, madam. Now I would request Jalpana Hota madam to present her yoga asana. Jalpana madam.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, madam.
Am I audible?
Yes, madam, you are audible. Please switch on your camera.
Yes, ma'am. Happy International Yoga Day to all. Now I am showing my asana, Murdha Asana. Just 2 minutes left. Yes. Ma'am, visible? Ma'am,
Yes,
visible?
madam.
Ma'am, visible?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
This is Murdha Asana.
Monalisa ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I visible ma'am?
No, ma'am. You are visible.
Ma'am, this is Murdha Asana. Hello?
Thank you, madam. Yes, madam.
Murdha Asana regulates the secretion from the pancreas, liver, and kidney. It also prevents and helps in coping with stress, anxiety, or depression by balancing the nerve system. And neck muscles can also be strengthened using the posture. And it also increases the blood flow to the brain. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Now we would request Anusa Maharana, madam.
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Please start with the demonstration, madam.
Yes ma'am.
Good morning to all.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Good morning ma'am. Monalisa
Morning,
ma'am,
madam.
Yes, madam.
am I visible? Ma'am, visible?
Yes, ma'am, you are visible.
Yes, ma'am. You are visible.
वज्रासन बैठना है तो हील के बीच में
Am I visible?
हाथ आप अपना थाइस पे रखोगे एंड योर बैकबोन शुड बी स्ट्रेट
Yes, ma'am.
मैम ना ऑडिबल है आई एम आल्सो
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
वज्रासन इसको करने से आपका जो डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम है वो सबसे आपको बहुत ही स्ट्रांग होता है थैंक यू मैम
Thank you, madam. Now I would request Samsundar Sahu sir to demonstrate the action. Samsundar Sahu sir.
Okay, good morning to all of you. Happy International Yoga Day.
Thank you, sir.
Hello,
Sir,
hello.
please,
I am audible.
Yes, sir. You are audible. Please switch on your camera.
Okay. First, I am telling the benefits, application, and the contradictions of the asanas. After that, I will demonstrate properly. So, I am going to perform the Trikonasana. So, asana means Sukham Sthiram Asanam. You should perform its as slow as possible, synchronizing with deep breathing and inhaling and exhaling, little pause in between. We have to maintain it properly fasting. So that benefits of Trikonasana, it strengthens the leg, knee, arms and chest. It helps in improving digestive system, stimulates all the abdominal organs. It increases mental and physical equilibrium. It reduces stress, anxiety, back pain and sciatica also. It can increases height. It helps in reducing the excess body weight. It enhances blood circulation. It is helpful in reducing excess fat around the waist lines. So this is the benefits of the asana. Then contradictions. Contradictions, if you are suffering from diarrhea, low high blood pressures, back pains, migraines, avoid doing the Trikonasana. The individual having cervical spondylitis should not perform it the asanas. So each asana having B, B, C. P means vacation, B for benefits, and C for contradiction. So now I'm going to demonstrate that asanas. All of you get ready? Am I visible, ma'am?
Yes, sir, you are visible now.
Visible. Now I'm visible. Not visible. Ma'am, I am visible now.
Yes, you are visible.
After standing the normal position, then one your leg, right leg to straight. Step to your right side. That should be your left hand will upward and right hand should touch your head and look forward. This is the Trikonasana. Then you will release.
Sir, you are no more visible. Sir, your video is working properly.
Video is working.
Not working.
Okay.
Sujata madam, please switch off your video right now, and students, you can also switch off your videos right now for the time being.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I visible now?
Also.
Am I
Yes,
visible?
sir. Yes, sir.
Then you will take your straight left side, one step to ground and look your upper part. Then release, no one pushing. Then press towards your left side, then of the ground to your vertical upper part. Then release, roll. Then perform Bhujangasana. First, up to sit, Sukhasana. After that, we are going to perform Bhujangasana. Bhujanga means cobra pose, snake pose. First, we have to in the lay down position, prone position. After that, both sides of your feet will keep your arm, then up to your upper parts of the body only will look upward like cobra pose. This is Bhujangasana. That is for diabetics or sciatica. That's your cold and cough tendency. Your vertebral column will be much more strong. The muscles will be strengthened properly. Dictation of the diabetes. Diabetes will be curable. And it's those who are having spinal problem, you can do this asana. Then release slowly. Then we will come to the back position. Then release slowly. Then come to the Sukhasana position. Chanting
Abhiksha, what are you doing? Abhiksha, what are you doing?
God bless you.
Yes, ma'am.
You should
Thank
practice
you
now.
for your
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing.
Sit straight. Keep quiet. Sit straight. Abhiksha, sit straight.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Now I would request Ravi sir to demonstrate. Thank you, sir. Now I would request Ravindra Maharana sir to demonstrate his Yogasana. Ravindra sir.
I would like to request everyone to please brief us because we have very little time left. We have only 7 minutes more. So just demonstrate and reduce your speech. We have only 7 minutes more.
I don't think Ravi sir is. I'm not finding getting any reply from him. So let us move to the next person. Subhalakshmi madam. we start?
Yes, madam. Good morning to all of you. Happy International Yoga Day. So now I'm start Halasana. All of you see what I'm doing. Ma'am, I'm visible.
Students, please switch off.
Hello. Hello.
Students, switch off.
Hello.
No, ma'am.
Hello.
Not visible.
Now I'm visible, ma'am.
No, ma'am, you are not visible till now.
Hello.
No, ma'am, you are not visible.
Mona Lisa, madam.
Please on the camera.
Mona Lisa, madam.
Subbalakshmi
Madam, you are
ma'am.
not visible.
Hello.
Subbalakshmi ma'am, you're
Hello. Now I'm visible, ma'am.
No, 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 no.
Hello.
Sir, madam, you are not visible.
Hello.
Hello, Subhalakshmi madam. You are not
Mona Lisa,
visible.
madam. Am I
Subhalakshmi
visible?
madam. No, Subhalakshmi madam.
Hello.
Ajay sir, you please start. I think we should wind up quickly because we have only 5 minutes left.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. May I audible, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Thank you, respected principal madam, respected colleagues, and my dear lovable students. Very good morning to all of you, and happy International Yoga Day. We are performing asanas. That is Parvatasana. It is very important for us to control our blood circulation, hypertension, and also it is very important our obesity and etc. So please do it. Please sit in your position. Your first of all of you sit in Padmasana position like that. Yes, like that. Okay. Next, close your hand slowly and up to the to this sit of this position. 1 minute, please. Okay. Slowly your hand should be down. Okay. Next, please. Next asana is please straight your leg. This asana name is Paschimottanasana. Straight your leg first. Sideward and knee should be straight. Okay. Knee should be straight. Please touch your finger and head should be down. Thank you all of you, thank you ma'am.
So it was a great demonstration. I would now request Labinendu Das sir to demonstrate his asana. Labinendu sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Very
sir,
good
please.
morning to all. I am Sarvagasana and Sisas.
Students, don't try this. Students are requested not to try this asana. It is only professionals can do it. Students should not try this. Just watch sir, what sir is doing. Students, please don't do this. Sir is trained and he has a lot of practice. He can do it, but you please don't try. Don't try doing this. Very good, sir.
Great, sir. Now, students are requested not to try this at home. Please do it under the supervision of your yoga instructor only. Now, I would request. Yes, madam.
Ma'am, students will practice one round of Surya Namaskar if ma'am will give permission.
Ma'am, we took permission, but we don't have time. Karishma ma'am, I think she has not done. Let her do it. Then we'll go for students. Otherwise, we can do it after one period. Karishma ma'am should do now, I think so. Mona Lisa ma'am?
No, ma'am, I don't
Ma'am,
have
I am also, ma'am, I'm also under, madam, please. Actually, class is there, ma'am.
Yes, you may leave. Oh, Karishma
Yes.
ma'am is not going to do. Then who else is left behind?
Sujata madam only. Sujata madam is left.
Sujata madam, do one demonstration.